Hello, this is Nathaniel from Alphacool, and today it's all about the Alphacool Eisbaer and how to get this bottle of liquid using the refill kit into the Eisbaer. Customize your Alphacool Eisbaer and turn it into your all-in-one with the Alphacool Eisbaer RefillKit. With the Eisbaer RefillKit, you can personalize your Eisbaer by changing the fluid to a color that you really want. In addition, you can easily top up or refill the Eisbaer. First, connect your pump to the power supply with the SATA to 3-pin pump connector. For extra safety, Alphacool has included the ATX jumper plug. This allows you to stir your power supply and run the pump without your 24-pin connector being connected to the motherboard. This means that nothing but Molex and SATA devices will run. Now install the soft rubber funnel into the G1/4 thread of the fill port. Thanks to the big funnel, you can easily and cleanly fill it with the required liquid. When the Eisbaer is fully filled again, we test it and make sure that the stop fitting is in place. Filling is possible while the Eisbaer is installed. However, we recommend that you remove the Eisbaer before filling and reapply it with new thermal paste. We've created this refill kit and this amazing video because there are so many requests from members of the Eisbaer Owners Club. So now you have it, and I hope that you can use it and you can save a lot of money because this kit is much cheaper than if you buy the components as single parts. Have a great day and like us if you like.